Hello and welcome to the Tip of the Week. This week's topic is how to create notes of a meeting in Google Meet using Gemini. Sometimes it is hard for individuals to keep up with a meeting and take notes to create the minutes. Google Gemini helps with this. When you set it up correctly, Google Gemini will take the notes for your meeting for you and send it out to the host and co-host or the participants if you choose. Let's look at how to create notes of a meeting in Google Meet using Gemini. Open Google Chrome and in the waffle next to your profile picture, click the Google Calendar icon. Once on the calendar, click the meeting that you want to take the notes for. On the calendar invite dialog box, click Join with Google Meet. Above the Join Now button, click the Start button next to Use Gemini to take notes. In the Let Gemini Take Notes for this meeting dialog box, click the drop-down arrow and select who you want to send these notes to after the meeting. Under the More Settings drop-down, you can also choose the note's length. The standard length gives you a concise summary of the meeting. The longer length includes more details and comprehensive points from the discussion. Then click Start at the bottom of the dialog box. Once you join the meeting, it will start taking the notes and send them to the host and co-host. Do you have questions about using Google Workspace? There are several resources available. The links and contact information are listed here.